Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to maintain and create a Gmail account. Whether you're new to Gmail or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through every step. So, let's get started. To begin, open your Gmail app or website. At the top right corner, you'll notice a profile icon. Click on it. This will display all the Gmail accounts linked to your device. If no accounts are shown, or if you want to create a new one, click on the Add Another Account option. From here, you can follow the simple process to set up your account. After clicking Add Another Account, select Gmail as the account type. Then, click on Create Account. You'll be asked if the account is for personal use or business purposes. For most users, the personal option is the right choice. Once selected, you'll need to fill out a form with your first and last name. Enter the details and click Next to proceed. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information, including your date of birth and gender. Once entered, click Next to move forward. At this stage, Gmail will suggest email addresses based on your name. You can choose one of these options or create a custom email address. For a custom email, it's recommended to use uppercase letters for the first two characters. Include a symbol like @ or hack and add a 3-digit number at the end. For example, johndoe@123 is a good format. After deciding on your email address, click Next. Now it's time to create a strong password. A good password should start with 2 uppercase letters, followed by lowercase letters, a special character like @ or hashtag, and end with a 3-digit number. For example, john@123 is a secure and easy-to-remember password. After entering your password, click Next to continue. Gmail will then show its privacy and terms. Scroll to the bottom and click Agree. This step finalizes your account creation process. After a brief loading screen, your Gmail account will be ready to use. You'll see a confirmation screen showing your newly created Gmail address. From here, you can start sending and receiving emails, setting up notifications, and more. That's it, everyone. You've now successfully created and set up a Gmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.